Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am bringing you a makeup tutorial on this look right here. Yet another fun Valentine's Day makeup tutorial that is nowhere near neutral, but it is who I am. I cannot help it. I really wanted to do something with the pinks and the reds, and so this is what I came up with. I will not lie to you guys. Prior to having my lashes on, I was like, ooh, girl, you might have made a mistake. But I'm obsessed. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. As always, I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. And if you do enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, jumping right on into it. I'm double priming today using the CoverFx blurring primer in the T-zone and the Becca First Light priming filter all over the rest of the face. You guys, I'm doing my best to try and like this product. I really am. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I'm using the shade number 3 Fair. I'm going to put it all on my high points and I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. And like I said, I'm really trying to make myself use this, but personally, you guys, I think the Beauty Light Wand is way better. I feel like this is overhyped, but let me know what you think down below. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matte Pro Filter Foundation. I happen to be in the shade 230. I'm going to have every product that I use listed down below as always, so check there if you're curious or miss anything. And then of course, girl, we got to conceal. Always got to conceal. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's one of my personal faves from the drugstore, you guys. I literally can't get enough of it. And then, of course, because I'm an oily bitch, I'm setting it with the Jeffree Star Setting Powder in Beige. And then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rosewood Bronzer. I'm going to bronze pretty heavy today. Obviously, do as much or as little as you want, but I went in ham sandwich with the bronzer for sure. Using the Pretty Vulgar Prim Vixen blush, I'm going to go pretty heavy-handed with this one as well today. It'll make sense when the look comes together, trust me. And for the eyes, I'm using one of my favorite palettes, the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm going to start off by mixing the shades Grateful and Positivity to kind of create my own custom shade for my crease. So I'm just going to kind of windshield wiper motion this back and forth until I'm satisfied with the color payoff. Just really making sure to blend out those edges, really diffuse everything. Next, I'm taking this shade called Heart On, and it's kind of like a pinky red shade. It's absolutely stunning. The pigment on this is unreal, you guys. Look at that. It's insane. I'm taking a slightly smaller fluffy brush. I'm going to start working this on the outer corner and then dragging it in my lower crease area, making sure to really blend it out because, again, this color is very pigmented, so don't let that scare you. It blends out absolutely beautifully, so just take your time, blend it all together. I then decided it'd be a good idea to zoom you guys in, so you're welcome. I'm the best YouTuber ever. And I'm just going back and forth in between my crease shade and that Heart On shade, just kind of going back and forth, blending them out until I'm satisfied. And then I'm taking this shade right here. It is called Livin My Best. It is a deep red with like shimmer in it. On an even smaller, more detailed fluffy brush, I'm going to start working this on my very outer corner. It's stunning, you guys. It doesn't look like it makes a ton of difference, but trust me, it does. This shade, in my personal opinion, really makes or breaks this look. It's absolutely gorgeous. And so I'm just going to kind of follow the same path and make sure I blend everything out. Of course, no harsh edges here. I am going to take that same shade, Livin My Best, and run that along my lower lash line with a flat definer brush. And then I'll start kind of diffusing that out. And I'm going to use all the same shades that I used on my lid. So blend it out until you want it. Some people like it more blown out, others don't. It's up to you. Next, I'm going in with the shade Certified. It's like a matte white shade, and I'm going to put this on like the inner portion of my lid. You could do a cut crease if you want, but I'm inherently lazy, so this is the way I kind of get away with that. I think that this was such a great addition because it really brightens up the eye look because it is very heavy overall. Last but not least, I'm taking this shade I'm In It, and I'm using this as my highlighter for my brow bone and my inner corner. This is a stunning shade with like a pink reflect. If I do any looks with pinks in it, I must use this shade to highlight with. It's absolutely stunning. I simply cannot stop. And then, of course, your girl's going to pop on lashes and all that fun stuff as well. Again, everything is down in the description box. Finishing up with the face, I'm taking my Mikayla and Glamlite What's Poppin' highlighter. It's absolutely stunning. It looks so gorgeous, I cannot even. And then for lips, I'm taking the Colourpop Satin Lip in the shade November. I have not used this shade in a long time, you guys. I've done decluttering, so I was excited to find it. And then the Fenty gloss in the shade Baby Brut. Love me a Fenty gloss. And then there you have it, you guys. This is my completed pinky red Valentine's Day look. I have no idea what I'm going to call it, but I'm obsessed with it. It's absolutely stunning. I think it looks like it's all in your face and crazy, but really, you guys, I'm in your face and crazy. I don't know. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think down below. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.